Hello everyone, welcome to Aicado. Today we're going to build a super agent that can be trained and customized to fit your needs. And the best part is this super agent can be embedded anywhere you want. Just you need an Aicado account and it is so easy to create. I'm going to show you today how to create an Aicado account and how to build a super agent. So shall we begin? Just click to get started or login. It doesn't matter actually. So continue with Google account or Facebook account. I'm going to use my Google account. And if you're new to Aicado, we are giving you 250 credits to use and explore the AI models. And dashboard welcome us. So you're seeing a lot of AI tools. Aicado supports more than 20 AI models, so you have plenty. Today's topic is creating a super agent. So first thing first, click the Create AI tool button. Then go to Chatbot and choose a super agent. Hit the Create button. Give your super agent a name. Let's just give the AI code. So here's the domain part. This part is important because if you want to embed your super agent, this part is essential. As you bond your super agent with this domain, and your agent will work under this domain. So I'm going to choose my domain. So I'm just giving right now our website domain, but I'm gonna change it later to show you how. It opens the embed page. There is a tool that can guide you to understand better, and you can start again to click in the question mark, but I don't need that. Who needs it? It is so easy, right? Our super agent is ready already. You can copy the embed code and embed it wherever you want, and it works as a chatbot. But AI Coda steps in right now and gives you the lots of features, styles, knowledge that you can train your chatbot with. There are lots of tools that you can activate and use for a specific purpose. Also, there is an important part that the assistant behavior, we call it a prompt, that is essential when you focus on a specific need. So today, I'm going to show you all features. Don't worry. And let's move on to the styling tab. In today's world, modernity and appearance is important. Whether personal use or brand identity, you have to look beauty. And I call that help us to by allowing the change the appearance of our chatbot. You can change your avatar name, avatar photo, and you can add your special rating sentences. Move on, you can change the color of the header, font size, font weight, renders, and lots of options for the fonts. Let's pick one. You can change again. You can change input border colors, text colors, showdown colors, everything you thought of. There are different type of buttons we here. You change their colors too. Here, make your own style. Let's move on to features. In this tab, you have 9 different features. This one is important because you have a chatbot, you have to be chatty story. There are 3 options here. Each one has a purpose. I don't want to mention right now because it can be a good time, but they have different purposes, of course. You can read this information. Also, you can click to learn more. You directly go into our documentation, which we prepare for our customers or users. You can find any details, any information in here. If you don't so, you can take a meeting from our calendar. I'll drop the link below here. I'm going to select the password protected, and let's move on to present messages. Present messages like pre-written messages that you suggest the users. For example, what is AI Keto AI? So you can add 4 present messages, and you can delete it, of course, and you can close it. Move on to webhooks. Webhooks are good ways to create an automation. We have a videos about it. You can check it out our channel. So Super Agent does support the webhooks. Continue with rate limits. Rate limits is the limitation for the users on every blah blah seconds. So when they exceed these limits, you can say come after 24 hours later. That's all. And audio recorder, file uploader, image uploader. You can activate your buttons aligning with your needs. Also, we have a send confirmation like automation. 20 minutes later, if conversation is stopped, send our conversation by email. You put your email here and you get your conversation email. Let's move on to knowledge. Knowledge is important if you want to train your chatbot. Reads the file and provides answers related to it. So we can add website text file data. How so? Let's continue. A file like recent. I have a project. I can attach this project to my chatbot so I can train him. So when I ask him about the project idea, he can provide answers the related questions. Also, you can add text right here, right here, or you can crawl a website, single or already a sitemap. It doesn't matter. You can enter the link. Wait for the comment. Also, a code interpreter for the process the file for specific operation is also works like this. So we continue the tools part. Super Agent tools has lots of different type of purpose. So let's assume that I am a content creator for Instagram. I'm famous there, let's say. Image processing part, and there are five different categories that you can see. I can use these tools to create upscale and the clarity of my photos, recolor them. Additionally, I have an Instagram tool here, so these tools can be beneficial for me, like Instagram post collect by post URL. Like that I want to popular caption, which post has more likes, which comments are more funny. Also, you can add your custom tool too, like with API. You can add your tool too. Continue with the settings part. We have 3 AI models available right now. You can choose for it. And the most important part, prompt assistant behavior. You have to write good prompt to get good answers, okay? This is part important. You don't want to write a prompt or you don't know how to write it. Just write a keyword like add content creator. I share posts and his stories on Instagram. Hit the generate button and wait the magic happen. Your prompt is ready. Very detailed, very planned. For the domain part, we add our website domain for now, but I want to show you how to change your primary domain. If we want to work same AI tool to different domains, you have to buy other domains and want these domains to your embeds. Let's change my primary domain. I create a bubble app. It's creating a mechanic, which means queen's place, like I'm a queen. I'm going to my AI tool, click on it, click the embed. You see bounded domains here. Your AI tool will only work on these domains. Look at this is important. So we click this. I choose my primary domain. If you buy new domains, you can add this domain here or remove them if you want. If you have trouble about the domain, you don't know what is the domain and how do you find it, you can click this. You can check your domain and watch the YouTube video we prepare for you. The better understanding, I recommend this video to watch it. I open my application. I'm adding the HTML snippet. So I just adjust the layout like that. Give a proper way. And I came to Aicado, my embed code. I copy it. Goes back to my application. I just passed it. Let's click the preview. See, it is work. Okay, cute, right? Yeah. Your embed is ready to use. Remember earlier we chose a password protected, so it is why you are seeing that. By clicking here, you can create your password, save this password, don't forget it because it's your protection. When you embed this chatbot to another application, just you can paste your password and you can able to access your old history too. Welcome. It is super agent. So you want to create one? If you have any question in your mind, don't hesitate to reach us. We are always happy to help.